Celebrating now 20 years of GE's partnership with First Wisconsin, and very excited that they've continued to recognize the value of this program to engage with top talent in the state.
So my daughter was actually very active in the first program, so I'm a parent and a volunteer and a supporter. I'm just continue to be amazed at what the students come up with to solve very complex problems with solutions that have to work repeatably and accurately every time. It's amazing.
I'm from Appleton, Wisconsin, went to Appleton East High School and was part of Team 93 New Apple Corps when I was in high school. We really operate like an engineering firm does during first. I remember back in high school, you have part checkouts and you're looking at dot control and making sure all the parts line up and they meet that rigorous process of full engineering. And in the real world, it's no different.
I'm a sophomore member on the team, and something that Coach Ashertos has helped me with is Agile, which is a design process where every step is based off of the previous one, so it allows for iteration, and it allows reassurance that at the end of the day you'll have the best design possible.
First is the mentors that are so willing to help, and especially from GE, for example, who's not only one of our biggest sponsors, but like you mentioned, also provides a lot of mentors for teams around the area. For my team specifically, I'm on the software team. Being able to learn from people who are in the industry itself provides an inside look that I otherwise wouldn't be able to have.
My advice to you is to be involved. Keep asking the 5 whys. Why does it work? Why didn't it work? Why do you want to do it again? What will you accomplish, and why does it matter? Go through that process on every challenge, when you get it right, and more importantly, when you don't. And that will take you into the next steps of building your life.